Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to play YouTube video in the background on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open Google Chrome on your Samsung phone. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you open the web version of the YouTube app on your Samsung phone, now the next step is to tap on the three dots on Google Chrome and select Desktop Site. As you can see, we have successfully opened the desktop version of the YouTube app on our Chrome web browser. From here, just open any video which you want to play in the background. For an example, I will select this video. Now, after you open the selected video which you want to play in the background, then just go to your home screen. To do that, just open Settings. Now, if you swipe down from the top left of the screen, now in the notification panel, you will find this notification. Now, if you tap on the play button, then tap on General. From here, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Now from this menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and by doing that, you will reset all the settings. And as you can see, this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background on your iPhone, including the camera settings. And this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.